Civil 3D Interface Tower. Welcome to this new lesson in your Civil 3D learning journey. Before we can model terrain, create alignments, or analyze infrastructure, we need to understand the foundation of the software itself. Think of it this way: the better you know your tools, the faster and smarter you can work. In this lesson, we will take a guided tour through essential components of the Civil 3D interface, from the drawing area where all the visual action happens to the tool space that organizes your data, and the command window where everything comes to life. Let's dive in, and don't forget there will be a few questions along the way to keep your thinking and fully engaged. Drawing area or graphic window. This is the core of your design workspace in Civil 3D. It's the large central area where all your drafting, modeling, and annotation takes place. When you insert objects like point, surfaces, alignment, or parcels, they appear here. You can use zoom, zoom in or zoom out, or pan, or from here zoom, zoom extend, or you can use view to navigate around your drawing efficiently. Right-clicking an object brings up context menu, allowing quick access to related command. It's also where Civil 3D dynamically updates the visual representation of your design in real time based on your input. Toolspace. Toolspace is one of the most essential panels in Civil 3D. It gives structure access to the data, styles, and tools in your project. It contains 4 key tabs. The first one is Prospector, then Setting, Survey, and Toolbox. Prospector. Prospector, as shown here, it shows the design data hierarchy, such as points, surfaces, alignments, and pipe networks. Setting. As shown here, settings, it manages all Civil 3D styles, label formats, and drawing standards. Survey. Here is where you access field data and survey databases. Toolbox. Toolbox gives access to custom tools, reports, and extensions. It's the control center for managing your design data efficiently and accurately. You have just explored the tool space, but let's pause for a moment and think. Which tab in the tool space displays design data like surfaces, alignments, and points? Prospector, Settings, Survey. Take a second to think about it. No rush. We'll reveal the answer in just a moment. If you said A, Prospector, you are right. That's where the design element live and breathe. Ribbon. The ribbon is the main access point for the most common in Civil 3D. It's a tabbed toolbar located at the top of the interface and is organized into logical groupings. Tabs. Tabs like Home and Insert, Annotate, Modify, Analyze, and View, and so on. For example, the Home tab gives you access to tools for creating points and alignment and surfaces. Each tool is represented by a button with both an icon and label, making it easy to learn. You can also customize the ribbon layout to match your workflow preferences. The application menu. The application menu is the rectangle icon at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu of essential file-related commands like New, open, save and, explore, and print. It works similarly to the file menu in other Windows programs. One useful feature inside the menu is the ability to manage recent file or access file locations quickly. You can also import and export Civil 3D setting and access drawing utilities from here, like drawing properties and drawing settings, units, and so on. The application menu centralizes all file management functions, which makes it critical when starting or closing projects. Quick Access Toolbar, located right next to Application menu. The Quick Access Toolbar offers fast access to frequently used commands. By default, like New and Open, Save, and Print Plot, Undo, or Redo, or Workspace. You can customize it by right-clicking on Ribbon command and selected Add Quick Access Toolbar, like this. Customize a Quick Access Toolbar, then add the command you want. This toolbar stays visible regardless of which Ribbon tab you are on, so it's perfect for workflow shortcuts. Having your most used tools in one place speed up your workflow and reduce unnecessary clicking. InfoCenter. The InfoCenter site on top right corner of the interface here, or search. It allows you to search for help topics and access updates, announcements, and learning resources. You can enter search keyword to get instant links to Autodesk help document. This tool is very useful when you learn or troubleshoot and want to real-time support directly from Autodesk. It ensures that help's always just a few clicking away. No need to search through the manual or forms individually. Command window, also known as the command line. This is a powerful tool for executing precise commands. It's located at the bottom of the screen and works like a conversation interface between the user and software. You type in commands like line or alignment, like this. The window also displays system messages, errors, and input options for tools you are using. It supports command history and command options, making it highly efficient once you become familiar with it. Status bar. The status bar runs along the bottom of the Civil 3D interface here. It displays drawing and course information such as coordinates, snap mode states, object tracking, and more. It includes toggle for tools like orthogonal and polar tracking, grid, like this. It includes toggle for tools. Each of these settings influence how your mouse and keyboard interact with drawing objects. Keeping an eye on the status bar ensuring you are always aware of your current design state, units, and constraints. It's a critical part of managing drawing precision and setting in real time. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.